In this video, how to add Android Auto to your vehicle.
Click here and you're going to enter Android Auto. This is Android Auto home screen. So if you connect any Android Auto, this is going to be a home screen. You got 5 main buttons here. First button is your navigation, Waze or Google Maps. You press on the navigation, this is your Google Maps. You got all your applications. Pressing either of the corner, you can switch through the pages of applications. You can go into any feature, watch any movie. You'll just request. You will have to just use the Wi-Fi of your car or Wi-Fi of your phone. You can connect Roku stick, Amazon Fire Stick. You can basically connect any device that you want and it will work.
Land Rover, Range Rover, full-size HSE, years 2005 to 2009. All NavTool products are 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs. NavTool, established in 2002. This interface does not replace factory radio or factory screen. This interface enhances the factory screen with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI Mirroring, and cameras. All factory features work the same as before. This interface is see-through, meaning the vehicle does not detect that the interface is installed in the car.
Android Auto demo. Click here and you're going to enter Android Auto. This is Android Auto home screen. So if you connect any Android Auto, this is going to be a home screen. You got 5 main buttons here. First button is your navigation, Waze or Google Maps. You press on the navigation, this is your Google Maps. You can change from Google Maps into Waze. Click on Waze. Waze app is going to open up. Here you have your reports, just like on your phone. You can report police, traffic, crash, map issues, hazard, camera. So you can press on the police and report. So this is just like original that would come in any car.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.